Hey, and welcome back to another video. So just like yesterday's Nokia E7 video, this is just another kind of sort of review, sort of introduction video of this. This is a Nokia 808 PureView, the Nokia 808 PureView, the phone which is considered to be a pivotal point in camera phone technology. I've always wanted one of these, but they usually were priced at really high prices, like in $500, $600. But I found this one from the UK, London, for like $200. That's about 150 British pounds. So I thought I'll buy it. It's kind of a big investment. Well, it's not an investment. I'm not selling these, but it's just something for my collection. And it's gonna get more expensive from here onward. So I thought, you know what, $200, whatever. But before we jump right into this, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. All right, let's open this up, see what's up. And the word excited is not enough to explain what I'm feeling right now, because when this phone came out, it was just such a big deal. Like, everyone was talking about it. Its camera was so good. It's just the only thing that held it back was its operating system. It's considered to be the last phone to ever run Symbian. It was running Bell, but Bell, Symbian, whatever, same thing. Almost the same thing. It comes with a BL4D battery. By the way, this is the same battery that's inside the Nokia E7, which I mentioned yesterday. It comes with two batteries. There's one already installed. The seller said the batteries last quite long. I'll be definitely taking this phone out today to take some photos, because it's bigger than I thought. Oh, it's in a case. That's even better. It's in a case. Cool. Damn. Nokia 808. You should see my face right now. I'm just so happy. I've only dreamt of even holding this phone. Damn. AMOLED display, heavy. Wow. Uh, yeah, yeah, I'm kind of stuck here. I don't really know what to say. It's just that when you get something that you always wanted all your life, it's just hard to comprehend that it's finally yours. Third-party battery. This one's made in China, obviously, after like 2011. I think this was released in 2012. I'm not sure. After 2011, Nokia started moving production to China. It's not one of these phones that are manufactured in like Finland, like this Nokia E7. I can get that to focus. This Nokia E7 is designed and made in Finland. I made a video about it yesterday. You can go check it out. It's on my channel. Battery, camera. This phone looks in marvelous condition. So let's put this back. And let's turn this thing on. See, how do I turn it? Oh, power. Oh, so it has charge. Nokia. It's heavy. And the case is just a great add-on. It's a really weird deep case, because this phone is really thick. I gotta get some photos with this. But yeah, I'll be definitely trying to put my SIM card in. I don't know if this phone is locked. He didn't say anything about it being locked, but I put my SIM card in this and try and use it. So while it's powering up, Nokia Carl's Eye sensor, Nokia sensor, 41 megapixel, the largest of its time, Xeon flash. The lens only opens when you open the camera app. You can see now it's closed. The lens is closed. Oh, here we are in the... So this is basically what brought this phone down. Its operating system, not the greatest at the time. Like, it was trailing behind even budget Android phones in certain ways. Like, the App Store wasn't up to par. Apple's iPhone 4 was out, and like, it was... Well, I think the iPhone 5 was out at the time, but... Yeah, cameras are great, but they go only so far. But when it comes to like operating system, it's important. It's basically running the same thing like the E7. All right, so let's jump to the point. Let me grab something colorful. Hold up. I'll definitely edit this into the video. My usual candidates, the shuffles. Um, let me get them like that. Let me get some red in here. I'll do a review on this later. What else? Let's have a white for a base color. What else could we throw in? Oh, darker blue, thermal paste can. Okay, dedicated camera button. Your location will be blah 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 blah. Whatever. Go away. Go away. Okay. Let's see if the lens opened. Yep, the lens did open, and I felt the vibration, as you can see there. Kind of felt the vibration. So let's take a photo and see. Low light, so it's probably not going to be, yeah, that great. Let's use the flash. That's why it had the Xeon flash. Let's see how powerful this flash is. Okay. This phone obviously struggled in low light. It was more, most of the phones in the time were like, they were best with sunlight, and this is still considered to be one of the best phones even today, even for a camera. Comparatively to its age, it's obviously there are phones now that can beat it, but for its age, it's aged well. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's a pretty decent photo. I mean, for a phone this age, it's clear. If I zoom that in, yeah, that's really clear. It's sharp. I can distinguish the edges. So what I'm gonna do is, before I upload this video, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna start taking some photos around my college campus, and we're gonna probably get some good photos with it. Let's go in. Let's see if there's anything in the gallery. The stuff that I took. This phone probably has been reset because none of the stock music is probably there. Yep, it's empty, so the phone has been reset. Bunch of extra content. Software update. It seemed this phone was, despite having the software wasn't that great, but it didn't have any software issues like the Nokia E7. The E7 was a problematic phone. Like, it had this lock screen issue. Like, if you put a password, it affected me as well. If you put a password, sometimes the thing freaks out when you try to unlock it. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing much else to say. I'll be doing a full review on this phone and like try to use it here in 2020. But until then, I guess this thing will just sit here. I'll just upload this video today after taking a few more photos. Really interesting phone. Camera looks really, I mean, it's really big, but I guess it's a compromise for a good camera back in the day. But even the iPhone 11 has a better camera than this thing now. It's just the trade-off was the size of the camera back in the day. Let's see, does it have the clock? Yep, it does have the clock on the AMOLED screen. Unlock it. Okay. This kind of looks like the HTC Sense UI. I'm not sure who copied who. Was it HTC that copied Nokia, or Nokia copied HTC? I'm pretty sure it's HTC copied Nokia, but I'm not sure. What else could we do with this thing? I guess there's nothing much else. I mean, these aren't like more modern smartphones. There isn't much to do right out of the box. You gotta install stuff to make it extra fun. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Just a quick look at the Nokia 808. I put the photos earlier for you to see. I'll be doing a full review on this in the future. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.